Hey everybody, what's up? It's Kiki and welcome back for another video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and become part of the Kik Squad. Today I am coming at you guys to show you guys how I try to slay this hair with minimal parting space. So I'm using hair from DSoar hair. This is their Jerry Curl lace front wig. It's 24 inches. And this is how it looks straight out the box. It does have a pre-tweezed hairline and it is a 13x4 frontal. It does come with a stretchy cap just in case you need a little extra room. It does have 3 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back with the adjustable strap. And I'm just going to flip my wig inside out. This is usually how I bleach the knots on most of my frontal wigs. And I'm going to use the L'Oreal Quick Blue and some Salon Care 30 volume developer. And I'm just pouring the remainder of what's in my bag inside the bucket. Definitely don't do this just to bleach one wig. I was actually bleaching 6 wigs, so I just went ahead and mixed it into the mixture that I like, the consistency that I like. I like mine to be the consistency of icing or frosting, easy to spread, but it won't seep through the lace and get on the hair. And y'all, please forgive me if y'all hear the rain in the background. That is why I haven't been able to do a video that didn't require a voiceover, because every time I went to record, it was raining. So even as I'm doing the voiceover, it's raining. But once I apply all of the bleach mixture to the lace or to the knot, I then check the inside to make sure that none of the bleach got on the hair. And then I just let it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes. So about 45 minutes. And this is how it looks after brushing all the hair to the back and letting it air dry. And I am just going to tweeze a little bit of the hairline. It doesn't need much work, but I still wanted to tweeze it a little bit more since I knew that I was going to be wearing it back off my face. And I'm going to take this eyebrow razor and cut off the extra lace.
Are you listening? Damn.
So to tint my lace to match my skin, I'm going to use a little bit of my foundation, the excess foundation from my foundation brush. And then I'm going to be using the Bold Hold Active to lay my wig down. You know, after you cut the stocking cap, it has a tendency to roll back up. So I smooth the glue going towards my face so that it also lays down the cap, if that makes sense. And then I'm just going to let it dry and apply the lace to my head. And the hairline looks really, really nice. I am really, really happy with it. I wish I could just wear it like this, but no, I got to go ahead and create some baby hairs. But I'm just going to go ahead and measure the wig, make sure it fits my head, cut off the ear tabs, and just lay everything down. So I tied it down for about 10 minutes and then I created some baby hairs and then tied it down for another 10 minutes. So this is the finished results of that. And I'm just going to play with my hair, see which side I want to flip it over to. As you can see, the knots are bleached really, really well, but it doesn't have a lot of parting. So I'm just going to do a flip over method, or kind of do a flip over method. And then I'm going to wet my hair down. And this is how it looks. This is the end results. And if you guys are wondering what lashes I'm wearing, these are from my company, Cotton Candy Eyelashes. These are in the style 2002. And these should be released by the time you guys are watching this video. So make sure you guys go over to Cotton Candy Eyelashes and check us out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information and specs on this wig. And check out DSoar hair. I love you guys and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.